Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be reviewing the Dogsix Online Tracker app, which claims to help parents monitor their child's online activity, track WhatsApp usage, and get instant notifications. Sound perfect for a digital parenting, but it is actually worth it, or is just a scam? Let's find out. Developed by Familiar Safe Software, DOS 6 is available on both Google Play Store and Apple Store. It has over 10 million downloads and a decent 3.7 star rating on Android, but on iOS, things drop off fast, with only a 2.5 star rating and poor reviews. While some users praise its monitoring features, others report major problems like fake screenshots, blurry WhatsApp data, and offline error even after play. Even worse, customer support is unresponsive and many users say refund are denied. So even called it an outright scam. Final verdict. Dog 6 might work for some, but the red flags, from fake previews to billing issues, are hard to ignore. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe. Thank you.